I am your biracial queen. Kamala Harris, look out, because here I come. Hello y'all, my name is Topher Bee, so thank you so much for clicking on this video. Yes, so today I'm testing my DNA with Ancestry.com. I've avoided doing this for a while because Ancestry and other like DNA collecting sites are kind of sketchy, but they had this deal, and I was like, ooh, it's so inexpensive. And I, honest to God, like as a Black American, I really would like to know like the biology, the genealogy. I'm not really close to my father, to be honest, and I don't really feel like reaching out to him for information, so I think it's cool that I can do this. So I just wanted to show you guys, basically I've already opened everything, so sorry, but I wanted to make sure I didn't like show any information, but it's super easy. Like everything comes in this little box. So it comes in this box, and then you get this box with the spit tube and the solution, and then you get this baggie that you're supposed to mail back to them. And it comes with a box for you to mail back to them, which I'm so thankful for because I didn't even think about that, and I don't know anything about mail, okay? Like I really don't. And then it has the information right here. So this is something that's really important that I didn't know. You're not supposed to eat, drink, smoke, or chew gum for 30 minutes before giving a sample. It's been like almost a straight hour since I've done any of that, so. And then you have to spit in the tube. So you have to spit in the tube until you get to this like little squiggly black line. So, ew, that is gross. This is the thing that sucks. It's like without water, my mouth is so dry, beach. Oh god, this is like all bubbles, and I was just talking about how easy it is, and it's like all bubbles. Oh jeez, we are in a pandemic. Okay, I'm almost there. I think I need like one more good one. That is so gross. But there you have it. I have filled it all the way up to the black line. And then replace the funnel with the cap, and you're gonna secure the cap on so that the liquid is released into the solution. What? Remove the funnel screw. The cap. Oh, God. Oh, shit. I think I did it. Okay. Oh, there you have it, y'all. There's my spittle and the solution all mixed up in that hoe like a fucking freaky ass lava lamp. I hope I did this shit right. I really do. Place the tube in the solution bag. See, oh. Oh, okay. It's not like a Ziploc baggie. This is like literally so neat. And then I'm guessing this is the tape. I'm guessing this is the strip for the box that you're gonna mail in. Oh wait, just kidding. I don't know what this is for then. Should I have left that in there? God damn. Seal. Insert cap tube. Seal collection bag. Put bag in return carrier. By sending your sample, you acknowledge. Do not remove absorbent pad and bag. Oh god, 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 oh god. Oh, these kits are like, oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Okay, so don't remove this thing from your bag. Don't do it. Don't do what I did. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Ow. Literal fear, the fear of God just came into my body. Okay, and there you go. And so you put it in this little box, this little white little box, and I just have to go drop this off. And luckily, you guys, I didn't know this until the election season. There's a post, like there's a mailbox like right across the street from my house. And like, I remember like even my neighbor, like my housemates get these like weird like air burps sometimes. My housemate, who's lived here longer than I have, didn't even know that there was one too, so it ain't just me, but it just killed me the first time I saw it, because I was like, what the fuck, how long has this thing fucking been here? And that's where I turned in people's mail-in ballots for them. So I'm gonna go drop that off, and I will see you guys probably in a week or so. I don't know, they emailed me the results, so I'm really excited. I can't wait to see which parts of Africa I'm from. I can't wait to see, like, if I have other cultures' blood within me. That was an English sentence. So, I will see you guys in a week or whenever I get the results. Hello, everyone. Oh my god, look at my chocolate self. Ew. 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 Hello everyone, my name is Happy Black Legends, and today we are still experimenting with the background. This is my new closet. You can see all the yellow, because we are a yellow queen here, okay? So I was supposed to open the results on camera, but I didn't do that. Oops, I didn't do that. So what happened was I took a nap, and then I woke up at like 11 o'clock at night and I got this email that said your results are in. And I couldn't wait. I just couldn't wait. I couldn't wait. I'm sorry. And because it was so late, I couldn't like turn on the camera. So I do apologize that you're not going to be seeing my reaction. But in a way, I'm kind of happy that I didn't film it, because I actually cried when I saw my DNA. I started crying. I started crying because like it was like such a cool moment to like finally know, I think is what it was. It was such a cool moment, and like I love my DNA. I think I'm hella sick, honestly. So I think I cried too though, because all these countries I have like zero connection to, you know what I mean? Also, like, it was kind of depressing to be on Ancestry.com and see like where my family more than likely came in terms of slavery, you know? And I wanted to do the ancestry because I wanted to know more information on my father's side of the family. So I was able to find out which port of entry my father's family more than likely came from. And I don't know if that's his maternal or paternal side. I don't know. So we're going to get started, and I'm going to tell you guys what I am, where I'm from, what this is made of. So here we go. This doesn't surprise me, actually. It doesn't surprise me because I've been told numerous times that I look like I am from this country. I am 38% Nigerian, actually. So that was kind of like sick. I don't know. I just thought it was cool. I was like, oh my god, I'm Nigerian. But well, because like I've been told I look Nigerian, and I've like thought that I've always thought I have a very, like, I've understood why people say that. But I was always like, well, I don't know, like, I don't know. But, so I am Nigerian, so that was really cool. And I also want to say, I'm a lot blacker than I thought I was. Like, I'm way more black than I thought I was. I was expecting to be more mixed, actually, because my mom is, I think my mom is only like 70 to 80% black. And I know what you're thinking. You're like, bitch, look at yourself. Obviously, you're gonna be black. And I knew that, obviously, don't get me wrong, but I was actually like shocked at how much black I was. I'm pretty much black and white. I am your biracial queen. Kamala Harris, look out, because here I come. I definitely think I understand what it means to be a white woman in America. I think I can speak on those issues as a 9% white woman, okay? As you guys know, I am I do speak French, and I've always had like such an interest in French. And so when I saw this, I was freaking out, I'm not gonna lie. If you guys didn't know, yes. That is le drapeau de la France, de la République de la France, oui. C'est le drapeau. La drapeau ou le drapeau? Goddamn romantic languages and their fucking genders. I can't keep up. I can't. And that's all my dad's side. I know that for a fact. That is all my dad's side, 1000%. And I think that's crazy. I think that's crazy. I think that's like the coolest shit. I was really happy to see that. Like actually, that I think was like the coolest shit. Out of everything, that was the coolest shit, I think. And then 11% Mali, 6% Ivory Coast and Ghana. Bitch! Here's where my whiteness comes in. I am 5% English.
Hello, governor.
Kind of bummed, not gonna lie. The next ones didn't surprise me until the last one. The last one I was like, bitch, what the fuck? Scottish. I got Scotland. I'm 2% Scottish. I'm just your average Scottish chick, Kita. 2% Scottish, 1% Irish. The Irish and the Scottish didn't surprise me because my father's last name is very white. And it's actually a very common name amongst, like, every white person I've met with that name was either Irish or Scottish. There's a famous actor with this last name, and I really want to ask them, like, can we do a DNA test? Like, cuz either you owned my family at one point, or maybe your family were indentured servants, and the indentured servants got it on with the Negroes. What's popping? Like, you know, reparations. No, I'm just kidding. But I've always just wanted to know, like, if we're related, because I think that would be funny. But it's also really common last names, so we're probably not related. But Welsh, I'm 1% Welsh. That was weird. I was like, what the hell? I was so confused by that. I was like, okay, where the fuck did that come from? Like, but also like, that's all, they're all kind of, I'm not gonna call them the same. That's like extremely offensive, but they're all like within close proximity of each other. So like, it made sense to me. I am a Nigerian Congolese queen, a Cameroonian queen over here. This was really cool to do, and I definitely think if you're black, if you're a black American, you definitely should get tested. I understand why you wouldn't want to do Ancestry because they store your DNA and there's some shady shit going on behind the scenes. However, for me personally, like I said, I wanted to know the story behind my family, and I was able to find out that my father's side of the family more than likely came in through the Carolinas or Virginia. So that's really exciting to find that out because I didn't know that previously. So, you know, and it was really cool to like add to my tree and see like all the fourth cousins that I have and shit. I was like, oh my god, what's up, cuz? You know, so I totally respect if you want to do a different program. There's actually this Black Run DNA service, and I'll try to link that down below as well instead if you would rather do that. But if you are a Black American and if you have been thinking about doing it, I was able to get a Christmas deal, so I know I paid somewhere close to 100, but I don't think I paid any more than that. Expect to pay around 200 for something like this, I would say. But if you have it, why wait? Like literally, why wait? Because I've been waiting to get my DNA tested for like 2 or 3 years. Like ever since I started working, I wanted to do it, and I was like always waiting because it was expensive. And then I was like, bitch, it's always gonna be expensive. Like, just get it done. Like, you want to know, so just get it done. And if you have the money to do it, just go for it. So if you have been wanting to get your DNA tested and you're Black, do it, because a lot of us unfortunately don't know the countries that our families come from. A lot of us don't know because a lot of the records weren't kept. A lot of the shit was destroyed. And that's what's so heinous, I think, about like slavery, is a lot of the things that occurred, we really don't know. And Like, there's probably so much more terrible shit that this country has done that's just been lost to time because no one kept a record of it. Do you know what I'm saying? And so I do think that it's important. And it has, like, it's been interesting. Like I mentioned, I've always had this interest in French, and to find out that I'm Cameroonian and like Congolese, that totally makes sense. You know, when it align, like it, I don't know, maybe it doesn't make sense. I don't know, but it was just so cool to see that, like, wow, I've always had an interest in the language of my colonizers. Like, that's crazy. Like, what a crazy coinkadinky, you know? But anyways, that is my video on my ancestry. Let me know what you guys thought. Like I said, I am just your biracial queen. It is what it is. I do what I do. I be what I be. We love to see it. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm not biracial. Like, I'm not gonna walk around calling myself biracial. Like, just in case you thought I was being serious, I'm not being serious. I'm literally mocking the people that do that when the situation's reversed. Do you feel me? Okay, I just wanted to make that very clear. I have to give a huge motherfucking thank you to 2 people. Number 1 person is going to be Hailey. Hailey, thank you so much for joining my Patreon. Thank you so much for joining my Patreon and becoming a patron. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much for supporting my work in that way. And I also want to give a thanks to whoop doop 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 doop. I can't physically say your name because I literally cannot, but thank you so much for joining the whole Hive tier. Like, thank you. I just could not believe that. Thank you guys so much for doing that. If you guys would like to support me in any way possible, a link to my Patreon is down below, a link to my Teespring store is down below. There's also a link to become a member for my YouTube channel. My YouTube membership is much cheaper than my Patreon. It's only 99 cents a month. There was also a link to all my socials down below, my Twitter, my Instagram, and my Tumblr, if you are still on Tumblr after the great Brexit of, what was that, 2015? I really don't remember the year. I can't believe that I'm almost at 4,000 subscribers. That is crazy. My channel has never had this growth in this way, so just thank you. It's really appreciated. I have a ton of content planned and coming for you guys. I have like stan, like music content planned. I also have like Black vegan content planned that I'm super excited to film. I'm really excited to talk about the history of Black people within veganism and like more content. So just get ready, y'all, because shit's coming, okay? But yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys to all my new patrons and YouTube members. Thank you so much. Alrighty, y'all. Bye.